Hi guys, let's get ready for Janmashtami. I have already applied moisturizer in my face. I'm going to take a little BB cream. I'm not going to go with full glam up today. These are my earrings. And then I'm going to take this MAC Stroke cream. And actually I'm going to apply it like a moisturizer and not as a base. I don't want my face to look that I've done too much. I know I'm late for Janmashtami video, but still I thought if it could help any of you, you might want to see this. And if not in Janmashtami, maybe when next time you're getting ready, see, this did give us some coverage for eyes. I'm going to apply through my hands. See, it's so easy. This palette is really good. It's very pigmented. You can actually do it with hands too. So I'm using hands because I'm showing you that you don't always need a brush, and you can get a very good finish with using hands too.
More blue, pencil left. I'm going to apply it as a kajal.
Very basic look, but it will give a very glamorous effect. I have this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. When you're wearing something ethnic, always embrace your Indianism. I don't think that's a word. Going to apply this blush. By the way. Guys, let me know how this look turned out, if you have liked this or not. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. Also, don't forget to like this video, please.